some people say some people are here for a reason.
I see Addict here, look behind me. It's thick fog, man. It's not. I thought it wouldn't be that bad flying. That was terrifying, seriously.
This moment right now is gonna be our great thing. You know what I mean? So you never know what moments it is when people meet. Bugs definitely is the spirit of D12 that kept us moving. That was it. That guy, I'm missing you, Dad.
They ask me am I okay? They ask me if I'm happy. Are they asking me that because of the shit that's been thrown at me? Or am I just a little snappy and they genuinely care? Duty, most of my life is to spend me and you there, and I continuously stare at pictures of you. I never got to say I love you as much as I wanted to, but I do. Yeah, I say it now when you can't hear me. What the fuck good does that do me now? But somehow I know you're near me in presence. Oh, I went and dropped some presents off the piece to them. Two little beautiful boys of yours to try to ease them. Mine's a little and dark, you never believe this. But Sharonda actually talks to me now. Jesus and everyone else is just trying to pick up the pieces. Man, how could you touch so many fucking lives and just leave us? They say grievance has its way of affecting everyone different. If it's true, how the fuck I'm supposed to get over you? Difficult as it sounds. Difficult as it sounds. Difficult as it sounds. Difficult as it sounds. Duty, that's what we call each other. I don't know where it came from, but it just stuck with us. We was always brothers, never thought about each other's skin colors. Till one day we was walking up the block in the summer. It was like 90 degrees, I was catching a sunburn, trying to walk under the trees just to give me some comfort. I'm moaning, I just wanna get home, and I look over and your shirt is off. I'm like, you're gonna fry it, like, no I won't. I'm black, stupid, black people, they got melatonin in their skin. We don't burn me while my face is glowing, and I feel like I'm on fire. And the entire time you're just laughing at me, you're snapping at me with your shirt, bastard. And I'll still have to get you back for that shit. And by the way, them Playboy rings my mother stole from me when they